I have been making life hacks for almost, oh my gosh, over 2 years now. I have been making life hacks, tips and tricks and things I didn't know until I was in my 30s to share with all of you. And today we are going to be going over DIY life hacks to see if they're any good. Let's find out. 4 simple DIY life hacks. Home upgrades. Go.
Here's 4 simple DIY projects that took our house from cookie cutter builder grade to something that matches our style.
Number 1.
Cabinet hardware. Don't be afraid if your cabinets don't have holes. Just pick up one of these templates at your local hardware.
That is cool.
Devil's in the details.
I did not know that we had a template for holes. You're telling me that I could have just had a template for holes the whole time? They made those? They helped out humans? They figured it out? They were like, oh, you know what? You know what most DIYers are not great at? Drilling holes. You know what we should make? A hole templatizer.
Details, dude. Small changes make a big impact. Number 2, changed out all the towel bars. Man,
towel bars, sure.
The builder's brother-in-law must work at the crappy towel bar factory.
Sure.
An easy job. Do it. Number 3, we swapped out every single crummy builder grade lighting fixture with something badass. Hell yeah. If you don't feel comfortable with wiring, add some plug-in sconces. Super easy to
plug-in sconces, y'all. For a second, I got really confused. I thought that they were battery-powered sconces, which are also dope because those have to exist.
Hang up and look killer in a bedroom. Check out that funky ass light. This bitchin' bathroom fixture. And number 4, before we ever even moved in, we painted all our doors. Hell yeah, looks badass. All right, dude, smash that fucking like button and follow me for more DIY.
Plug-in sconces, absolutely crushing it. Absolutely. Let's do that some more. Also, battery sconces, if those are a thing, we probably have to exist. Paint the doors, make it your own. Upgrade the towel holders. You know why? Because it's easy. The holes are already there, dude. Simple. And then my favorite one is the first one in this. They made hole templatizers, y'all. They figured it out. For all of us that don't build homes regularly, they made hole templatizers. This is called a genius home improvement idea. Genius idea. Break the glass. What are we doing? What's going on here? This is not. What is a genius? What is this genius thing? What are you gonna make? Oh, hang on. So let's just guess here for a second. What do you think this person is making? I think I know what this person is making. I'm gonna guess that this person is making a bird feeder, some sort of see-through feeder. Yeah, bird feeder. Let's find out. Okay, putting something there. It is or a cat door. Oh, it might be a cat door. Who said cat? It was someone said cat door. Might be a cat door. I feel like it's more likely it's gonna be a bird feeder though. Bird seed. There it is. Wow. Is it gonna be a squirrel? Squirrel. Squirrel. Do you have ugly door frames like this? Let's figure out what we're gonna do.
A plinth block is an affordable, easy way to upgrade the look of your door frames. First, take a plinth block, line it up to the inside corner of the door frame, and trace it. Next, you'll use an oscillating tool like this Dremel Multimax that I'm using here.
Yep. Okay.
Along the lines that you traced.
So these tools right here, this is actually one tool that I don't have that I always see my buddy using, and I'm always like really jealous of that tool, Dremel tool.
This tool is great because it's very precise and allows you to work in very.
I don't know what it. Oh, that's how it works. It wiggles back and forth. I would call it the waggler.
Once you've made all your cuts, you're simply going to remove the remainder part of that trim with a flathead screwdriver, clean up the area, with a couple of brad nails.
Wow, this is so satisfying to watch.
A little bit of caulk, and then fill in those nail holes.
Wowie.
And since each plinth only costs a few bucks, it really is that cheap and easy to upgrade the look of your door frames.
The top comment here says it didn't look that much better. I disagree. It looks unfinished. The rest of the trim will eventually replace it, but not right now. You don't need to explain yourself in these. People hating on their crusty baseboards. This is nice. Adds a little something. Appreciate it. I appreciate you too. Thank you so much. Yeah, I think Emily U Designs. I think you did a great job. I think the big tool here is the Dremel Max tool. I think that this is a really good upgrade. I don't think you should listen to anybody that says this is not a good upgrade. I think this is great. All right, let's keep on going. Let's look at the next one.
Yo, what are you doing? Oh, you're removing that, bro? That was a really nice railing.
Oh, hell yeah.
I bet you're gonna make an even nicer one, right? Hey, you chipped a little piece of the wood right here, bro. You're gonna fix that, right?
I hate that this is so funny to me.
Okay.
Just to let you know that we're gonna have to mute the rest of this video because I don't want to get claimed. So we actually can't listen to Nick, but let's all assume that he's hilarious. All right, so what are we going here? We're going through. You know, I really want to hear him though. Dang it.
You're gonna like
Yeah,
fix it, right?
yep.
I mean, this is looking kind of nice. This new
This
little
is
railing.
good. All right. I don't know.
To be honest, I like the other railing more. I mean, this is a nice railing, but
Why are you so funny, Nick? All right, so he's basically just like, hang on.
you're not gonna fix the chip piece of what? Oh! Oh! Nah.
Why didn't I read the one of the first comments right here? My ears hurt. Why didn't I see that comment? You know why? Because I was so entertained by you that I didn't read that first comment. What upsets me here is that I bet, I could have seen that in your profile picture, you have 6.2 million followers and you scream really loud at the end. I mean, listen, game recognized game, but it still hurt my cute little ears. I'm going to move on because I'm going to remember the trauma that Nick caused me right now for a while, because you know why? My right ear hurts right now, and there's no other reason literally besides the screaming reactor that I just watched. And I wish that first one wasn't there. Oh, okay. Let's go with Home Improvements channel. Let's see what happens. Let's see how he fixes this laminate issue. Tape. 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 Oh. Interesting. Dude. I need to watch that again. I have no idea how that worked. Little piece of cardboard. Okay. Tape. Okay. Double-sided tape, by the way. Wait. He peeled off the glue? Is that a special kind of tape that you glue something? That's crazy. Okay, so this one is pretty good, but also I feel like I would forget, but he's a professional, so that's important. Bing bong. Look at that. Amazing.
All of this needs to go. And when I
Yes.
get a new idea in my head, impulse takes over. So I ran to Home Depot
Good.
to get everything I needed.
Get
because
everything you
I
need.
decided that I was going to strip the walls of the backsplash that night.
Absolutely.
Of course, my husband
That's
had
smart.
to prove to himself that he wasn't around for decoration only, so he took off the first towel.
I don't know if you heard that, but that was fantastic. My husband had to prove that he wasn't around for decoration, so he took off the first tile. Absolutely. If my wife starts a home renovation project, you know what I'm going to do? Get out of the way, dude. You know why? Because she has a thought in her head that needs to get done. I'm just going to let her do it. I'm gonna say something. My wife usually knows better than me when it comes to this type of project, and I got to stay out of the way. I'm there as a pair of helpful hands if I need it, but I can clean up. I'm happy to do it. Better not get in between an immovable object, because she's not gonna move, and I love her. Let's keep
Luckily,
watching.
we only have 1,700 more to go. Do
Good.
I own or know how to use any power tools? No.
Don't worry about it.
but
You can do
I've
this.
watched thousands of DIY YouTube videos.
There
so
you go.
basically, I'm prepared.
Good
Listen,
job.
We're gonna paint, sand
Absolutely.
the cabinets, install new
Do it.
countertops, make an
Do it.
island. We're gonna
Do
do
it.
it all. And because I'm a stubborn person, I know it's gonna work out because I have a vision, and if it doesn't come to life, I'm not gonna sleep. So
For anyone playing the home game, I did just spill coffee on myself. Thanks for asking.
welcome to my home, the land flowing with milk. And
She's got 14,000, almost 15,000 followers, and she deserves more. All right, let's go to the next one. So New Build Newlyweds is on here, and she's about to tell us what our biggest pet peeve. And this top comment is something that I kind of wanted to point out, but I bet she's going to fix it. My biggest pet peeve is you painted over the outlet covers. Oh, you painted over the outlet covers? That's fine. Who cares?
Is when you have this dark, moody paint on the walls, but
Okay. So what else is she going to do? We know that it's going to be good. So let's see what happens.
you have these bright white outlets that totally ruin the vibe. So I bought
Sure.
these paintable outlet covers off of Amazon, and I'm going to make them basically disappear.
Okay.
I installed them first before painting, just so they don't.
Hey, here's something I didn't know until I was in my 30s. I didn't know that you could buy outlet
going to-
covers with the outlet plug in them. I thought that you just had to buy the whole ones. That has to line up really correctly.
Basically disappear. I
Also,
installed
shout out Ryobi.
Them first before painting just so they don't chip after I paint, and I painted them to match the wall, which is Sherwin-Williams pewter green. Now they blend in with the wall color and they look so sleek and so much better than before.
I'm gonna have to agree with you on that. I have never actually seen outlet covers painted, and I really like that. She's absolutely right. These top comments are wrong. This is made to be painted. Yeah, wow. This is exactly the type of thing that my daughter would say, hey, Dad, check this out. And I would go, I'm not sure about that. And then guess what? Because my daughter is better than me, and I know she's going to be better than me, she'd be right. Just like my wife. What was that comment? Seen outlet covers like that before either, right? I've never seen outlet covers like that either. It's pretty cool, actually. I really like that. These doors are getting an upgrade. Let's make these doors look custom. All right, Elena. Yep. Okay. Okay. So she looks like she's just drilling them in or nailing them, possibly. All right. Okay. 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 Oh, she's nail gun. It's a nail gun. She's nail gunning them. Dope. Sanding down. Dope. Amazing. She's using a sweet life hack right there. See this? See this right here? Beautiful life hack. This right here is amazing. So this is how to create a perfect circle. You just create your own compass, which is awesome. Oh my God. She's got a table saw. Dude, she's better than me. She's got a, oh my gosh. Look at that. Using a clamp. Look at this. Oh, she's sanding in 2 and 1. I would not think about doing that. All right, so now we got Mackenzie here. What are you doing? What is this? What is this, Mackenzie? Wait a second. Are you... What in God's name is that? Is that an edger for a... $5? That is the best purchase I've ever seen. Okay, so I painted my kitchen, and one thing that I learned was edging first and then paint, right? So yeah, edging takes a while. You got to be pretty precise about it. But if I had this, you're not meeting the corners exactly, like those exact parts, but like that's so hard to not get. But wow, that is incredible. That is incredible. These top comments are wrong, except the gap between the ceiling. Whatever. One thing that I learned about repainting was that you do not notice that type of thing once it's painted. Like, you just don't. I know where the mistakes are, but nobody else does. Oh my gosh, Mackenzie, thank you so much for showing me that. The old landlord special. Sure. Yeah, just paint over it. Just take a piece of paper and paint over it. This is what you would call a life hack. Now, they're calling it the old landlord special because you're not actually fixing it. You're just putting a piece of paper over the wall. I don't agree with this life hack. This is a bad life hack. Don't do that. It's not funny. Actually, it is kind of funny. If you're Decorators Forum UK, sure. I feel like at some point you would recognize that that is a piece of paper. Get a drywall patch. Oh my God. I really hope these columns are not support columns. I'm scared. Oh God, this is terrifying. Oh God. Oh God, that was terrifying. Woo. So, okay. So are you team columns or no? The answer is I am not team columns. I would actually say if you don't need the columns, you don't need them. And if they're not supporting anything, then why are they there? This has been such an amazing live stream. If you do want to be a part of the giveaway, subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're going to be doing giveaways on my YouTube channel. All subscribers are welcome. If you like this video and you want to see more, definitely click that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Like this comment or dislike it. Turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.